my name is Malak Trabilsilat. I'm the Managing Director of Vernewell Management Consultancies, and today it is the third workshop under Vernewell Space for All Womenkind Mentorship Program, cycle number 1. And today we are very honored and proud to share this workshop with Mr. George Salazar from NASA. So Mr. Salazar has over 38 years of experience in telemetry, communications, speech control, command and data handling, audio displays and controls, intelligent lighting, project management, and system engineering. He has been involved with the design of advanced telemetry, speech recognition, and intelligent computer systems, of which he has received various patents. He also led several advanced avionics technology concept investigations for the next generation space program. Mr. Salazar has received numerous awards, including the NASA Silver Achievement Medal and the John F. Kennedy Astronautic Award. He has also co-authored several papers on system engineering and human systems integration. He is currently assigned to the Human Interface Branch in the Avionics System Division, serving as the Human Computer Interface Technical Discipline Lead to develop advanced human interface. Actually, if I could keep on going, reading the bio of Mr. George Salazar, it's amazing. And the most important aspect of what he's doing right now is the display and control subsystem manager for the commercial crew program, responsible for the astronaut crew interfaces to the SpaceX Dragon crew vehicle, as well as the Artemis human lander system computer human interface system manager. It's amazing to have you with us and share your expertise with us in terms of soft skills, and also to have you as one of the icons when it comes to helping young generations access the space industry, and especially women. Thank you so much for being here, Mr. George.
Some of the soft skills that I think were beneficial for me: work ethic, compassion, helping others, communications, negotiation, adaptability, compassion aspect. Maybe that's the part that I enjoy, in terms of helping people, helping students, helping other folks grow in their career. Purpose of life is to find your gift. The meaning of life is to give your gift away. You can have people that are very smart, basically A students, they know the technical part very well, but if they cannot work with people, you are not going to be able to accomplish your mission. How you behave as a person with people, how honest are you? How reliable are you? How genuine are you? A real person? Are you faking it? Are you committed? Are you committed to helping people? Respected. You want to be respected. The only way to be respected is to show that you do what you say and you say what you do. And trusting, you got to trust people. Soft skills are related to not just what's inside of you, but your vocal delivery, your eye contact, as well as your body language. There's 4 areas that basically astronauts focus on before they go on a mission. It's leadership sometimes will change depending on what the aspect of a mission is and what's going on. It could be anything from a serious condition, like what happened on Apollo 13, to something just benign, just going to explore. So there's going to be people that are going to be leading different areas. And so learning adaptive leadership becomes important for astronauts. Appreciating the values of the others. We're going to have international partners. As a team, they have to work together to solve the problem. So collectively, all these 4 major areas related to soft skills and how the astronauts work collectively together.
Soft skills are very, very important, and they are as important as hard skills. When we talk about soft skills, we talk about leadership skills, teamwork, communication skills, problem-solving skills, work ethic, flexibility, adaptability, and interpersonal skills. And actually, we will go and break down these skills one by one in order to understand and to have some use cases or some examples in order to understand what we are talking about exactly.